Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Hello, everyone, and welcome to this live market analysis and trading webinar. I hope you guys enjoying your day so far. So, let's get started. I think we will start with the pound today because just right now they released the CPI numbers and the numbers were negative, so the pound is experiencing some we don't know if this will goes until the end of the London trading session, but it looks like that pound is getting weakened. That's all we see on the screen, and it's been a while. Actually, we were waiting for this move to occur. This one here, the break of this support, and so now we might get more clarity on the pound against the New Zealand dollar. Let me show you on the chart. Guys, just to double check, and if you kindly type it on the chart, is the image blurry or it's fine? Just kindly let me know. So, after the market move below this area, there is room for the price to move all the way down. So we will try to find some price correction and then to short it until this support, or if you are in a hurry, you can just find the ways to enter the market right now. Depends on each trader's trading strategy. So bearish on the pound New Zealand. Pound CAD, it was something I was looking for a while now to get involved upon a strong price action. On the 4-hour chart yesterday, this upper week rejection set up the tone for some downward move, but clearly CPI numbers, they push the price, they push the pound to the downside. Let's check to the wide screen. Now I see the same, so I think it's okay with this one. So this is the support if you want market on your chart. The low of this bullish engulfing is the support for now, so we want to have it on the chart. That's the pound Canadian dollar, and the pound Australian dollar as well drops below this support. The next support is down here at the bottom. So if you are trading this to the downside, it's been a while we are talking about this one, and yeah, that will be a good pound. In general, pound currency pairs will be good to start looking for short downtrends. Pound US dollar, here is at this area of resistance. Yesterday the price, remember we had this resistance for a while ago. And oh, come on, sorry for that. So a while ago we had this resistance. The price last week rejected with a false breakout. It didn't drop, but it came back upwards. It got rejected again exactly at the resistance 1.2733, and today, since the Asian trading session, the price moves lower. Price drops actually. Pound, Japanese yen, the same. Regardless, despite the fact we found some bullishness yesterday on the Japanese yen, the market is still down, still maintains the lower highs and lower low structure, so no need to rush on anything to buy. In order to buy, I want to see the price makes higher highs and higher lows, but for now it's not something price shows. Therefore, not looking to buy the pound JPY. And let's check the euro, US dollar. Price still remains within the boundaries of this bearish candle, if you prefer a box like this. So look at this yesterday. Price stays within this bearish candle. Sorry, yesterday it was this one here, and 2 days ago price still within the boundaries of this candle. So we do expect a breakout either to the upside or to the downside to combine with heavy momentum. That's what usually happens in the market. For now, I'm on the sidelines. On this time frame, I'm not looking to do anything, to be honest. And on the lower time frames, though, if you go on the, let's say, 15-minute chart and you spot this downtrend, like price makes lower lows and lower highs, and if you find some areas you want to sell, you can do that. So ZG said, nice day, sir. That's nice. MQ, greetings from Lebanon. Awesome. FHH said, how was your day, guys? Yep, day's going pretty well. DX Sabo, hello from Dubai. Nice. People are watching us from all over the world. XZ said, hello guys. Hello my friend. Guys, you can ask any questions you might have or any currency pair you are interested to see analysis. Usually we cover everything, but if we miss something, you can let me know. So, Australian dollar, US dollar, still maintaining a bullish bias, higher highs, higher lows, and this is awesome because confirms that there is a strong bullish trend, and we would like to look for some retracements and go long, keep buying this one. For now, on this time frame, it's nothing to trade, but if you go on the 15-minute chart, here it was a bullish engulfing just a while ago. Market looks like it's appreciating this move. We said about the pound, weakness on the pound. 15-minute chart, you see the price dropped drastically. So what do we expect from this point here? Some more consolidation, maybe some pullback before the New York session, and likely to see drop on the pound even more. New Zealand US dollar, price makes higher highs and higher lows. Very demanding currency. Right now it's on its highest of the day, so looks like it's also going to be something to get our attention for the rest of the trading session. 15-minute chart, you see guys, bullish engulfing and price moved higher. Yep, so fairly good opportunity here. USD Canadian dollar, I was looking yesterday for some bullish engulfing around this area, but price kept dropping. On the 4-hour chart though, we might gonna see some good opportunities today on the USD CAD to go short, or even on the hourly time frame. See how the market retested these spikes here very accurately actually, so maybe we're going to see continuation from this point. USD and the CHF broke below this support. Next support comes down here. Where is this low? So mark it on your chart. USD Japanese yen. Yesterday CPI interest rates in Japan remain as they expected, and the Japanese yen lost value. All the other currencies against the Japanese yen were bullish, and that gave a good push to the market. So today, look, price is still making lower highs and lower lows. Okay, stopped at this point from yesterday. Sellers joined the market. So for me, I'm looking for short positions, not for long positions, because the trend is down. Pound JPY keeps falling. Euro JPY, this one here, it's a little bit of it has some questions because price made this low and a swing low actually, and then a swing low that is higher at point, let's say A and let's say B. So these two swings lows, they have some difference. The market lost its structure of lower highs and lower lows, now is making a new high here. So we might gonna see any other pattern, doesn't matter. In order to continue selling, we want to see these lower highs and lower lows. If something else appears in the market, you have to understand and you have to give a meaning to the price move in order to start trading. Okay, don't blindly think of what happened here, what happened there, and when the price is, let's say here, you're repeating the move that happened 2-3 weeks ago. Okay, this move, it's over, it's done. We have new information and we have to trade the new information. New Zealand, the price really is retesting now this support, broken support, now act as resistance. I'm not in a rush to sell at this point here. The only way, if you want to get involved to the short side, is to find, let's say, this is a descending triangle. If you see a break below this, price moves higher like that, descending triangle. If you see a break below that, you can possibly look for short. The room of opportunity, it's up to this support here. Okay, you take profit most likely at this point. You can mark these areas on your chart. Similar behavior by the Australian dollar. At this point, the price is a bit confused. We don't know what's going to happen at this area, if the price will drop or not. The reason we prefer to trade trends here at MarketMinds Mastery without saying that everybody needs to trade trends, it's simply because they have higher probability to give, let's say, winning trades. CH said this point deserves our attention. Of course, exactly, I agree with you. Swiss franc, Japanese yen. Price is moving to the upside. It closed above these highs here. Yesterday closed above. I don't know what's going to happen, if this will be the beginning of a push to the downside. The market really has a structure that is meaningless at this point, and I'm not interested to look at it as a tradable opportunity. Canadian dollar, Japanese yen, similar with the euro, but this can be traded only on the lower time frames. If you trade on the hourly chart, 5 minutes, 15-minute chart, this can be a good also a good pair to watch if price keeps makes lower highs and lower lows. Euro, Australian dollar, finally, don't get confused by all these lines I draw on the chart. They are simply some monthly lows. Price finally is breaking to the breaks to the downside, and that can leave us with good opportunities to trade. So let's see what's going to happen. Based on this move here, the minimum target expected to be down to this point. So if the price moves somehow like this, we are happy to start trading. Actually, from today, I will be looking to trade the Euro Australian dollar to the downside. What about Euro Canadian dollar? It's a currency pair. It's been a while I'm looking to get involved with this one to get some short positions. So price action yesterday looks like it was a good one. Let's check the 4-hour chart. Yeah, big rejection here with this bearish engulfing. The market stayed within these boundaries, hourly time frame. Here is a bearish engulfing at the New York Open. So a break below, let me show you, a break below this can set up the tone for more bullishness. So let's keep an eye on that. BNN said, could you please share your opinion about what? Can you specify a little bit more in which currency pair? About the Euro CAD, we just explained. Euro New Zealand, something that it might gonna start as well. A move to the downside might gonna develop. So far, price finally breaks below all these low points. And again, guys, at some point you have to understand, as retail traders, our capacity in the market is limited. We want to see clear moves to trade. Actually, our options are unlimited, but the retail trading capacity is very, very limited. And people, they think that we can do whatever we want. We can buy whenever we want. Yes, we can buy and we can do whatever we want, but most of the times with very low probability trades. In order to trade and be happy with the results, we need to understand our capabilities in retail trading, not just in trading and in the market. Australian dollar, New Zealand. From this point here, I was looking to get to some trades to the downside, to be honest. but the market, both of them, Australian dollar and Kiwi, are very strong, extremely strong. Therefore, I don't know which one it's gonna win the battle, so I'm not very interested. Australian dollar, Canadian dollar, the price, it's a bit weird at this point, so I'm not looking to take any trade. New Zealand CAD, here it was the area of interest. We were looking to take some trades long from here. That's the 61.8 fib zone. That's an upward trend line. So very, very strong cluster. New Zealand, Swiss franc, really nothing, both of them strong. Australian dollar, Swissy, equally strong, so we don't do anything with that. And Canadian dollar, Swiss franc, looks like the Canadian dollar compared to the Swiss franc, it's weakened, so maybe we're gonna see some drop instead of bullishness. Gold, we might gonna see more push higher because we have new structure here with swing point A and swing point. This swing point is higher than this swing point, so we might gonna see some more push to the upside. Natural gas, it was a good trade yesterday. That one we spoke about. The price gave one-on-one, so that's a very, very good one. WTI price now, it's showing that a non-failure swing just developed, and we might gonna see more push to the upside. And last one, the German 40, although it was a descending triangle on the hourly time frame on Monday, yesterday the price moved higher, and today it's still above the 16,708 area, so we might gonna see some more bullishness here. JV, not sure I agree with this strategy. With which strategy? You can tell us your strategy, and I'm happy to explain it to everyone, your strategy. So guys, I think that's all from me today. We covered pretty much all the currency pairs. We covered the German 40. I don't see any questions on the charts. So from me and MarketMinds Mastery, would like to wish to everyone to have a fantastic trading day ahead, and also to enjoy your day. Christmas are very close now, so we gonna be here, of course, tomorrow again and on Friday. And yeah, for now, enjoy your day. Be careful with your trading, because markets are going to start moving a bit sideways at any point. And I will see you all tomorrow at the same time. Bye, everyone.